Hi everyone, it's Amanda, and today I have some really silly Thanksgiving leftover nails. It was a busy holiday week. Sorry this is super late, but got it done, so let's jump into it, shall we? First we're going to start off with my favorite peel-off base coat, because let's be real, this won't stay on. And we're going to use it on all of our fingers. You're probably going to notice that I've got some cracks in my nails. Don't worry, I've got the situation under control. They were just super damaged and thin because I used to have gels on in the past, but we're getting there. We're getting there. So we're going to start off with the cranberry sauce, everyone's favorite. And this was probably the hardest nail to do. No, I'm just kidding. Just paint your nail red, like a nice deep cranberry red. Couple of coats ought to get it opaque. Boom, there we go. Next up is the really fun one. I love this one the most. This was my corn cob nails. Start off with a bright yellow base coat. I love this one. It's a one coater. And then we're going to take our Simply Peel latex barrier. We're going to put that around our cuticles, making sure to really get as close to the edges as possible, because we are going to do some stamping and we want to have as little cleanup as we can. So I decided to go with this pattern. It kind of looked like a cool corn cob. We're going to go in with one bright yellow, a little bit darker than the first, and we're actually going to mix it with this tangerine orange. So I'm going to start off by putting on the yellow on about half of the stamping plate, and then I'm going to kind of drag in a little bit of that orange as well, and we're going to use the card to kind of smear the colors together, kind of make it like a yellowy orange. Boom, custom colors, right? Go ahead and pick it up with your stamper, and we're gonna press that right on down the nail. Perfect. Yes, look at that. That is nice. Delicious even. And then go ahead with your tweezers and you're going to peel off your Simply Peel or whatever liquid latex you decide you want to use. Or you can go in with a cleanup brush, however you want to clean this up. And then this next part, sorry, the camera decided not to record, but I basically took that Simply Peel and just kind of drew on the shape of, you know, the husk, I guess, or whatever it is. Go ahead and let that dry, and we are going to fill it in with some green paint and then outline it with a darker green paint. I'm going to go ahead and speed through this because this took a while. And there you go. To be totally honest, I don't know why I put hollow polish as a base coat. Maybe it was wishful thinking that it wouldn't get too covered up. But we're going to go ahead and put some stuffing on it. We're going to cut up some little makeup sponges I have here in teeny little chunks, and we're going to kind of pick up the polish. I have here a nice creamy color, and another one behind it there is brown, and we're going to kind of just dab those on, mix them up a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. After all, stuffing is never perfect, even though it tastes like it is. And we're going to throw in some dried cranberries too, because we all know that cranberries, we just can't leave them out of anything. And finally, we are on the turkey leg, the main course. I went ahead and put a layer of brown polish before attaching this cute little bone that I made. I actually just took a false nail and used some nail clippers to cut out the shape, and then used a nail file to round out the rough edges. But we are gonna just go ahead and stick that on, and then I'm actually gonna grab a gel top coat. No wipe gel top coat is just what I happen to have, but I'd imagine you'd be able to use any kind of gel top coat. And I'm using that to adhere it so it doesn't go popping off. And then we're just gonna go ahead and throw that baby in the oven. I'm just kidding. We're just gonna put it under an LED light for about 30 seconds to make sure it hardens up nice. And then we are gonna go right back in over the gel with the same brown color we used before. And then we are gonna take some white, color the bone part a little bit. And then I'm using Sally Hansen's Big Matte Top Coat. I love this one. It works really, really quickly, and I'm gonna cover the whole turkey leg in that because I don't know, I just preferred more of a matte finish on this one. I thought the shiny looked too artificial, even though it's obviously a turkey leg on my nail, so can't really get much more artificial than that. But who knows, maybe I can get my dog to eat it. Maybe? Nope, totally not impressed. In fact, she seems pretty embarrassed. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe to this channel if you want to see some more nail art or just nail goofiness in general, and I'll see you next time. Bye!